tasty Telangana snack.
3 cups of rice flour, 1 TBSP of soaked chana dal for 2 hours, 3 to 4 green chilies and few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of zira cumin and 10 to 12 garlic cloves, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 TBSP of sliced onion. Take a jar and add curry, leaves, and green chilies. Add cumin seeds and garlic cloves. Add salt as per taste. Add little water and grind. Chili paste is ready. Add chili paste in rice flour. Add soaked chana dal. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Add sesame seeds. Add sliced onion. Add some chopped curry leaves. Mix them nicely. Add some water and mix. Add gradually water and make soft dough. Soft dough is done. Leave it for 10 minutes. Take some portion of dough and make ball. Dough balls are ready. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Spread oil all over pan. Place dough balls at center and press. Gently press continuously. Press and spread dough all over pan. Make small dots with finger. Pour oil in dots. Place pan on stove. cook for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. Cover and cook. Remove lid and flip on other side. Cook on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Tasty snack is done. Repeat the process and make remaining snack. Tasty Telangana snack is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.